Hello, I am Jacob Hartshorn, and this is my final project for server-side scripting class. I created a school task manager, and this is the demo of what it does. So I currently have it running with MongoDB, and if I go to the first page, it's a login where you can enter your user, and this is tracked in sessions. So if I put in Jacob, log in, I have some previously made tasks under the different classes that you can do. So in order for a user to create a task, go to create a task up here, and you are taken to this page where you can input your information. So I'm going to create a task for Physics 141. I'm going to call it Lab 1. It is going to be due on 10/10/2019 at 11:59 p.m. If I create this, it takes me here, shows me that it was successful. If I go back to home, you can see that Physics 141 as a class is created, and under it is the due date. So if I want to change something inside that task, like say it's now due on the 11th, I can go to update a task. It brings me to this screen. I'll select Physics 141, Lab 1, and then I want to make it do 10/11/2019, and still we'll have the same time at 11:59 p.m. for a submission. So if I go hit update, I'm bringing to this, which shows me that it was successful. If I go back to home, Physics 141 is now updated under here to the correct new due date. If I go back to create a class, you can search inside of here for tasks for a class. So if I go to Math 280 and then search, it gives me the different tasks that are under that. We're taking back to home, and we want to delete a task. So we're going to delete this Physics 141 task. Physics 141, and then task Lab 1, and delete. It shows me that it was successful. If I go back to home, it's now updated so that that class and that task are gone because they're no longer need to be managed in my tasks. So that is the overview of the client side of my project. This is all managed with Node.js, EJS files, and MongoDB. My schema is here. My router with the different get and set methods, and the EJS files for the loading page. And if I go into here and look inside of the database, db.user inputs .find you can see that is stored in the database, and it is tracked inside of the terminal. That is my project, and thank you very much.